up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, and boys wanna hate. I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, don't make me pull out the chopper. I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, I leave them on the streets dead. I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, I got them diamonds in my mouth.
Well, it's that grind gripper from Houston, Texas. That bar sippin', that bar no flex. I'm straight up out of that Swisher house where G the ass right out the check. So check the neck, check the wrist. I'm ballin' status from head to toe. My jewelry shop sell more grills than George Foreman, baby. Now you know that ain't an igloo, that's my watch, and that ain't snow, baby. That's my chain. That's not an ice tray, that's my teeth, and that's not a snow cone. That's my rain. That ain't Kool-Aid up in my cup. I stay sippin' that purple oil. I stay flippin' the slab on foes, cause I'm a hustler till I'm in the soil. My wrist game is one of a kind. Petty Philippe worth 100K. My work schedule out on the block is mash all night and grind all day. No 401k for a hustler, just bleed the block and stack that paper. MOB when it come to hoes and a 40 cal when it come to haters. We authentic players, not counterfeit. Got a 600 Benz with a fall kit. Got hoes at the HK turning tricks. Out running the track trying to make me rich. I'm too legit to quit. Stacking up that paper till I'm gone. So I'ma be working with wheel and catching splinters, riding 20 inches up better than phone.
I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, and boys wanna hate. I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north. Boys talking down, don't make me pull out the chopper. I chunk up the deuce for the south and the north.
Hey dude, what are you trying?
Like an all-eat tray or something like that. Nothing big, dude.
Okay, cool,
Do
dude.
like speed, like running, and then do it.
Okay, cool, dude. What the?
Good wood? More like bad wood.
Dude, Goodwood suck ballsack. Dude, are you gonna get Goodwood next time?
Dude, I need to switch sponsors. Seriously, dude.
Get a Speed Demon.
Yeah, I'll get sponsored by them.
Yeah, they're
Holler.